To select auto lamps, rotate the lighting control to the auto position. As the light fades, all exterior lighting automatically switches on. The Auto High Beam Assist system is operational when it is dark outside. It automatically selects and deselects high beam. To select Auto High Beam Assist, rotate the lighting control to the auto position. The instrument panel warning lamp illuminates. When the lights of oncoming vehicles are detected, Auto High Beam automatically selects dipped beam. It switches back to high beam when the vehicles have passed. Auto High Beam only activates when the vehicle's speed exceeds 40 km per hour, and it deactivates when the vehicle's speed drops below 24 km per hour. Pull and release the lighting control to manually override from Auto High Beam to dipped beam. Push the lighting control and hold for more than 1 second to return to Auto High Beam. Push and release the lighting control to manually select normal high beam. Push the lighting control and hold for more than 1 second to return to Auto High Beam. Rotate the lighting control to dipped beam to switch the Auto High Beam system off.